Welcome to S&P's European loan market video overview, detailing leveraged finance trends and activity during August and early September 2010. I'm Suchit Gupta, a member of S&P's Leveraged Commentary and Data team, a unit of S&P that is not affiliated with S&P Ratings. For the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a review of recent loan and high-yield bond market trends in Europe before winding up with themes to watch for in September and early October. Before we start, please know that you can follow LCD on Twitter, Facebook, and can join the more than 4,000 contacts in LCD's Leveraged Loan Group on LinkedIn. The links to follow LCD are in the info section on our YouTube channel. Before getting down to business, some fine print. This disclaimer, courtesy parent company Standard & Poor's and McGraw-Hill, covers all the bases. Please read it at your leisure. August was a mixed month, with the new issue primary market flat and the same with the secondary, as Europe took its traditional summer holiday. There was significant activity in the forward calendar as arrangers prepped deals to launch after the summer break. The forward calendar for transactions that are announced but yet to be launched rose to an all-time high for the last 18 months. The S&P European Leveraged Loan Index, the ELI, had a positive return of 0.79%. So far this year, the ELI has returned 5.9% compared to last year's return of 32.81% for the same time period. Improving fundamentals were seen in the default rates, both on the principal amount and an issuer count, as they eased or held their ground. Getting back to the secondary loan market, this chart details the average price of LCD's European Flow Name Composite, a measure of the 18 largest, most liquid loans consisting of 10 issuers since 2002. The secondary market was essentially flat in August as the market took its traditional summer break. The average bid was 95.52 as of the end of August, up 2 bips from the end of July. This chart details the average price of LCD's European High-Yield Flow Name Composite, a measure of the 12 most liquid high-yield issues since the beginning of the year 2010. The high-yield market was a little more active than the loan market. The average bid rose 2 points in August to close the month at 97.33. Looking ahead, players expect better sentiment and continued inflows into both loan and high-yield mutual funds, as well as bond for loan takeouts, IPOs, secondary buyouts continuing, which will have a knock-on effect of raising levels in the secondary markets. This chart details the monthly return of the ELI, a broad measure of European loan market returns that LCD calculates. The main point here, the European loan market posted a gain of 0.79% for the month of August 2010. This brings the year-to-date return to 5.9%. Now from the secondary, we turn to the primary. This graph details new issue volume for both leveraged loans and high-yield bonds. Both the loan and high-yield new issue markets were down in August as the market took its summer holiday, with high-yield issuance at 0.6 billion euros and loan issuance at 1.1 billion euros. These numbers are actually for deals that were launched to the market in August 2010. But not everyone in the market had a relaxing summer holiday. Arrangers were busy prepping deals to be launched after the summer lull. The forward calendar for loans, i.e. deals that are announced but not launched, touched 7.7 billion at the end of August. This supply of new loans is a further sign of renewed confidence in the market, and it will offer investors new opportunities rather than existing ones in the secondary market. Default rates continue their southward migration. The default rate by principal amount decreased to 5.85% at the end of July from 6.2% in June, while the default rate by issuer count stayed the same at 8.9% at the end of July. That brings us to the end of our overview. I hope you found it informative. We'll update the analysis each month and plan to have analysis of other specific European market segments going forward. Check out LCD's YouTube page for other video analysis of the leveraged finance market, including U.S. loan market wrap-ups for September and August. The link to the page is in the description for this video. For more information on LCD's news or research in Europe, you can contact Anna Cini. You can email her by clicking on the link in the info box. Thanks very much. We'll see you soon.